What is the smartest, easiest and fastest way to learn the German noun gender? How much time will it take to memorize the noun gender individually? Approximately, how many nouns are there in a German language? Der, die and das. These three tiny little words are actually creating the horror among the German learners. Am I correct? Basically, there are three gender, that is masculine, feminine and neutral, as you know. German nouns are also declined, that is, they change the form depending on their grammatical cases in sentences, that is, nominative, accusative, dative and genitive, and whether they are singular and plural also. And there the actual beauty of this language lies. So stop memorizing the German noun individually, this will just increase the complications. You need to learn the German gender properly and well if you truly want to speak the German language. I am going to walk you through how you can more easily figure out a noun's gender based on noun group and noun forms and how the word is spelled, that is suffixes. Out of these three, noun group and noun forms are already covered in our last video. The link is provided on the top right hand corner of the screen. In this video, we will discuss the suffixes in detail, and of course at the end of this video I will give you the German noun gender study tips. So do watch this video till the end. Hello friends, how are you all? I hope you all are safe, healthy and doing great. Welcome back to our channel Bloom German. This is the video series for the beginners or A1 level. The name of our today's topic is Lektion 15, der bestimmte Artikel im Nominativ 2, the definite article in nominative case. Before proceeding to our today's topic, if you are watching this channel for the first time, then do subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for the timely notification of the latest video, and do not forget to like and share the videos. Masculine form, der. So our first suffix is and. Der Consonant. Or, zum Beispiel der Faktor. Est, der Kontrast. Ich, der Teppich. Ling, der Schwächling. Ige, der Käfig. Us, der Zirkus. Noun formed from the strong verbs are also masculine. Zum Beispiel der Betrieb, der Biss, der Pfahl, der Gang. But some exceptions are there for this case, like common exceptions are das Grab, das Leid, das Maß, das Schloss, das Verbot. These exceptions are neutral in form. 60% of nouns ending in N, L and R are masculine. For zum Beispiel, der Hafen, der Flügel, der Schatten, der Feller are masculine. All nouns referring to the people. Most are from verbs like der Bäcker, der Fahrer, der Onkel, der Vater. Some exceptions are there, das Essen or das Fahren. Die Butter, butter. Die Regel, rules. Die Wurzel, die Geisel, das Fieber, das Segel, das Zeichen are the exceptions. One note is there, all nouns ending in N are masculine in form. Feminine form, that is die. Our first suffix for the feminine form is a. Zum Beispiel die Pizza. All nouns ending with a ending are feminine. Exception for this is das Sofa. Nouns ending with ans are also feminine. The dissonance ending with ens are also feminine. The frequenz. Nouns ending with I ending are also feminine. The conditori. Nouns ending with E ending are also feminine. The democrati. Exception for this is das Genie. Nouns ending with Heit ending are also feminine. Die Dummheit. Ending with Kite ending, all are feminine. Die Möglichkeit. Nouns ending with IK ending, zum Beispiel die Musik, all are feminine. Exceptions for this are der Atlantik, das Mosaik, der Pacific. Nouns ending with Sion ending are also feminine. Zum Beispiel die Explosion. Nouns ending with Sion ending are also feminine. Die Revolution. Ending with cis are also feminine. Zum Beispiel die Basis. Nouns ending with tet ending are also feminine. Die Realität. Nouns ending with ung are feminine in form. Die Prüfung. Nouns ending with ur ending are also feminine. Die Prostitution. Exception for this is das Abitur, das Purpur. Nouns ending with Schaft are all feminine. Die Freundschaft. In or Frau denoting the female counterpart to the male person. Zum Beispiel die Studentin, die Kauffrau. Most noun coming from verbs ending in te. Zum Beispiel die Ankunft, die Fahrt, die Magd, die Aussicht. Some common exceptions to this are der Dienst, der Durst, das Gift. 90% of nouns ending in a sound are feminine in form. Zum Beispiel die Blume, die Lampe, die Katze, die Decke, die Kollege, die Marionette. Some common exceptions are der Käse, der Auge, das Ende, das Interesse. Most nouns that end with a but begin with ge are also the exceptions for this. Zum Beispiel das Genie. Neuter form das. All nouns ending with schen are neutral in form. Zum Beispiel das Mädchen. Nouns ending with lein all are neutral in form. Zum Beispiel das Fräulein. Nouns ending with ist all are neutral in form. Zum Beispiel das Dickicht. Nouns ending with il. Zum Beispiel das Ventil. Nouns ending with iche all are neutral in form. Das Dynamit. Exception for this is their profit, their granite. Nouns ending with ma sound all are neutral in form. Zum Beispiel das Schema. Exception for this is die Firma. Nouns ending with ment sound all are neutral in form. Zum Beispiel das Experiment. Exception for this is der Zement. Nouns ending with tel all are neutral in form. Zum Beispiel das Viertel. Nouns ending with tum sound all are neutral in form. Zum Beispiel Christentum. Exception for this is Reichtum, der Reichtum. Nouns ending with sound all are neutral in form. Zum Beispiel das Museum, das Individuum. Exception for this is der Irrtum. Approximately 70% of nouns ending with nis und sal all are neutral in form. Zum Beispiel das Bedürfnis, das Ereignis, das Schicksal. Remaining 30% of nis und sal noun are feminine. Die Betirnis, die Finsternis, die Betrübnis, die Kenntnis. Many originated from adjective or indicate the state of mind. Most nouns that start with the prefix ge all are neutral in form. Zum Beispiel das Gesetz, das Gespräch, das Gebäude. Exceptions are der Gedanke, der Geschmack. There are few more suffixes for the neutral gender. Zum Beispiel L, das Lineal, N, das Organ, R, das Formulär, Er, das Militär, Et, das Sekretariat, Ent, das Talent, Et, das Etiquette, EAR, das Papier, IV, das Adjektiv, O, das Büro, On, das Mikrofon. If these suffixes are used to refer the male person, they take the masculine gender. Zum Beispiel der Student, der Militär, der Kanadier. Noun compounds. If a noun is a combination of two nouns, zum Beispiel der Fahrplan, die Bushaltestelle. Usually, the final word in a compound noun determine the gender. Final word in a compound noun determine the gender. Some words ending with -teil, das Abteil, das Gegenteil. Nouns with ambiguous gender. Der oder das Break. Der oder das Diel. Der oder das Ketchup. Der oder die oder das Joghurt. Der oder das Soda. Der oder die Parka. Der oder das Radar. Nouns with a double gender. Zum Beispiel das Bund. The meaning is union or waistband. Das Bund. Another meaning is bundle or a bunch. Der Gefallen. Meaning is favor. Das Gefallen. Meaning is pleasure. Der Kiefer. Meaning is jaw. Das Kiefer. Meaning is pin. Der Laster. Meaning is lorry or semi-truck. Das Laster. Meaning is wise. Der Leiter. Meaning is leader. The Leiter. Meaning is ladder. Der Park. Meaning is package. Das Park. Meaning is mob, rabble. The Shield. Meaning is shield. Das Schild. Meaning is sign or plate. Der See. Meaning is lake. The See. Meaning is sea. Der Golf. Meaning is gulf. Das Golf. Meaning is golf. The Stauwehr. Meaning is tax. Das Stauwehr. Meaning is steering wheel. Der Tau. Meaning is dew. Das Tau. Meaning is rope. Der Verdienst. Meaning is earring. Das Verdienst. Meaning is merit or achievements. Some English loan words. The words comes from the English language to the German language as it is. Let's see their genders. Der Computer. der Rotor, die City, die Party, die Story, die Lobby, das Ticket, das Pamphlet, das Advertisement, das Treatment. Let's see some smartest study tip for memorizing the German noun gender. First one is create your own dictionary. When you learn a new noun that you find relevant to your life, write it into a mini notebook that is been split into a section. For example, noun, verb, adverb, adjective and phrases. Second tip is use flashcard. Rather, you should create your own flashcard. Write the German word without gender on one side, the gender abbreviation M for masculine, F for feminine, N for neutral and translation on the other side. Color code for the gender. Pick up 3 contrasting color for masculine, feminine and neutral. I use generally blue, red and green respectively. In your dictionary, write the new nouns in the color of the gender of that noun. For example, Hund in blue, Katze in red, Pferd in green as an alternative idea for your flashcard. Memorize a smattering of words in each noun group. So this is a tip for the noun group. For example, Evigen blue. All mountains are masculine in form. So while you recite some mountain name, zum Beispiel der Himalaya, der Taunus should be in blue in color. Evigen red, that is for feminine. Numbers, while you recite the numbers, zum Beispiel die Eins, die Zwei, die Drei, all are feminine. So write down the numbers in red in color. Evigen green for neutral, all alphabet letters are neutral in form. Zum Beispiel das A, das B, das C. Say write down all alphabet in green in color. You don't even have to memorize actual vocabulary to make this a useful visualization exercise. You can just imagine the different noun groups and see those atoms as a corresponding gender color. Memorize single word example for noun form. You should not memorize all the words. You have to just memorize a single word and their exceptions. Think in a picture. This will always help you. I hope you have learned and enjoyed today's video. In our coming lessons, we will be discussing more about the unbestimmt article in German language, that is ein und eine. So stay tuned. Herzlichen Dank für das Anschauen meines Videos. Auf Wiedersehen.